What's going on, guys? Barber CVO in the building. We're here in the parking lot with the 2019 Streetglide CVO. We got a nice product review. We got the Tour Pack LED Reaper from Advanblack. Check it out, guys. This thing is really nice. If you have a nice black bike or a dark bike, the smoke LED light would look just right on it. They do come in smoke and they do come in red. So I chose the smoke because I have like a, it's kind of dark. I didn't really want the red on the Tour Pack, but I'm gonna show you guys right now what it looks like. All right, check it out, guys. That is the new Reaper LED Tour Pack. Looks really, really nice. Looks cool. I like it because it's smoked out. That looks pretty cool. I want to thank Advanblack for sending me out this LED. It's called the Reaper LED. I'm gonna show you guys the inside of how it looks like, how I installed it. It comes with the template that you put on right there, and then you could drill the holes right on it. As you can see, pretty easy. You got to do the hole right here so actually you go through, and then the wires will go underneath here. Sorry about the mess. And then this is for the fang in the back and top. But then you actually put a hole. I had a hole in there already. You could put it through the bottom, but I already had a hole, so it clicks right there. So pretty good. Easy install. I thought it was gonna be a little more difficult, but it turned out to be good. There you have it, guys. A little walkthrough of the bike. So now we're gonna put the hazards on so you guys can see what does it look like with the hazards. Check it out. Pretty nice. I like the smoked out look. All right, so let me turn off the one, and then we're gonna go right with it. So even on the side over here, you could actually see the turn signal as well. Yeah. Now we're gonna go with the left side. Again, you can still see it from the side marker over here. All right. So now we're gonna turn it off so you guys can see how it looks with it off. So that's why I got the dark smoke, because if I would have got the red, then the red would have been all over the Tour Pack and it would have been standing out too much. So with the smoke one, you actually can see it from far away and it blends right in with the Tour Pack. All right, guys, thank you Advanblack for sending this out to me, one of our sponsors of our channel. All right, guys, thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, comment below, let me know what you think about this right here, the Reaper.